Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Cece, and today I'm really excited to share one of my favorite techniques for creating clean, natural-looking nails with a smooth structure and a professional finish. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a natural nail overlay using soft builder gel, followed by a clean and flawless gel polish application. This method is beginner-friendly. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming nail tutorials. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. For this technique, you'll need a soft builder gel, meaning a builder gel that's easy to control, self-levels well, and with this method doesn't require any filing afterward, as long as your application is clean and precise. We've already completed the nail prep. If you want to watch the full prep routine, you can find it in my manicure playlist. After the base coat is applied and cured, we wipe the surface to make sure there is no dust, oil, or lint left on the nail. Next, we apply a very thin layer of soft builder gel using a gel brush. This thin layer creates the foundation for your application, so make sure it's clean and even. Then, place the main bead of builder gel onto the nail plate. Using gentle brush pressure, guide the gel toward the free edge in a stretching motion. Don't worry about perfecting the surface. Too much soft builder gel will self-level beautifully, especially because we already created that thin, even foundation layer. Use a fine detail brush, size 5/0 or 10/0, to fill in any areas the gel didn't reach. Now flip the hand upside down for a moment. This helps the gel naturally flow downward and form the ideal apex using gravity and the gel's self-leveling properties. With a detail brush, guide the gel from the center toward the cuticle and the free edge. Then place the hand into the lamp. Repeat the same steps for every nail. Apply a thin layer of builder gel, and while it's still wet, place your main bead on top. Make sure the gel doesn't touch the sidewalls or cuticle. Don't make the thin layer too thick, otherwise the nail will become heavy once you add the main bead. Use the detail brush to smooth the surface and create a soft, natural cuticle line. For the main bead, use a pearl-sized amount depending on the size of the nail plate. Move the brush vertically to help the gel self-level and even out the surface. Again, flip the hand over to perfect the curve and apex. Check the gel reflection line, the beam line. Once it looks clean and even, cure in the lamp immediately. Repeat the same steps on the next finger. Apply the thin builder layer. Place the bead. Move the gel by guiding the surface, not digging the brush into the product. Use the detail brush for the sidewalls. Flip the hand, check the reflection line, and cure. Continue this process for all nails. Now it's time for gel polish. Apply a very thin coat first. For pastel shades, keep the brush horizontal, not vertical. This prevents streaks. Your layers should be extremely thin so the UV lamp can cure them fully, otherwise the gel may peel. Use gentle pressure to cleanly outline the cuticle area and maintain that perfect curved line. If the color doesn't cover fully, apply a third thin coat. Pastel colors often need it, depending on their pigmentation. Move the brush quickly and horizontally to avoid brush marks. If any corners didn't get covered, use a small detail brush to perfect the edges. Remember, you don't need to cover the free edge completely because we will do a final shaping file at the end. If you're enjoying the tutorial so far, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me create more detailed nail lessons for you. And if you love structured overlays and builder gel techniques, make sure to check out my manicure and gel systems playlist after this video. For the top coat, if your top coat is thin, apply a very light layer. If it's thicker, you can apply a slightly heavier layer for more shine and protection. Here, I'm using a medium viscosity top coat, not too thick, not too runny. One thin, even layer is enough to give me the shine and durability I want without adding extra bulk. secure fully, and we're done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the no-file soft builder gel technique more clearly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you want to learn next. See you in the next video. Bye for now.